So, taking on a new project. This is a mid-70s Canadian Canoe, 16 foot. So let's start by circling all the imperfections. First with a rough sand. Discovered some hidden gems while disassembling the canoe. As you can plainly see the grass through the bottom of the canoe. Nah, not good. Here's another view. Here I am, all geared up, ready for action. Safety first. Now let's start reconstruction. As you can plainly see, the old girl needed a few patches. Finally, at the final stages of glassing, I think it's time for some sanding. As you can see here, how much work has been done to her. But finally, getting ready for paint, cleaned it up. Picked up some beautiful new seats from the Kraken Woodworking. Thank you guys. So nice and comfortable. Very, very well built. Finally, the first coat of paint, oil base. And the second coat, all assembled now. Getting ready to paint the inside as well. With oil base as well. Now to head up north, and go for a test run. She worked perfectly, no leaks, very smooth. Really happy with the job and how it turned out. I had my friend custom make the original decals for it, and yeah, I thought it turned out really good. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. Cheers. Thanks for watching.